Thank you so much for stopping by. Today I'll be making the Southern favorite, fried potatoes and onions, and showing you how not to end up with a bunch of burnt potatoes stuck to the bottom of the frying pan. Okay? My secret recipe is coming up. Stay tuned. So my first tip when it comes to making fried potatoes and onions is slicing the potatoes just right. You don't want them too thin because they'll end up being mushy or they could burn easily. But then you also don't want them too thick because they'll never get done all the way through when you're frying them up. So take a little extra care when you're slicing these, it's important. And you can follow this same principle for the onion here. We don't want it too thin, we don't want it too thick, same deal. So first thing that we'll do is coat the pan with olive oil and put it on heat. And then the secret is to add 1 tablespoon of water per potato. These will help the potatoes steam and ensure that they're getting done all the way through before we finally fry them or crisp them at the end. Major key, let's go. Even these out. And most important, make sure you guys are using a non-stick frying pan. So you can see the steam on the top here. And I turn these like every 3 minutes just to make sure nothing's sticking, everything cooks evenly. It's my secret weapon, y'all. So, sprinkle our potatoes with a little of that. And some pepper. I'm going to add the onion. We're just about done steaming the potatoes. So our potatoes are just about done at this point. I want to go ahead and uncover them, turn the heat up to high, and let them fry. Make sure you keep an eye on them because you don't want them to burn. It should only take a few minutes for them to crisp up and turn brown. Our potatoes are starting to crisp. So you want to use a wooden spatula so you don't tear up your potatoes. So our fried potatoes came out, tender, crunchy, full of flavor. I hope you guys enjoy this recipe as much as I do. If you haven't already, make sure you hit that subscribe button so you won't miss the next recipe. And I'll see you next Tuesday. Peace.